Good morning, this is Federico Bentley from Ayondo Markets giving you this morning's market update. This morning we start by looking at the European markets, with the UK 100 rolling 17 points lower, the France 40 rolling is flat, and looking at the Germany 30 rolling is around 15 points higher in this morning's trading. Yesterday's losses in US stock markets continued overnight in Asia, with Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index down 0.4% to 19,974 points, and the Shanghai Composite Index 0.4% down at around 2,826.6. Oil prices inched into the red this morning, weighed down by the gradual return of the Canadian oil sands output, and Brent crude, the global benchmark, fell 0.1% to $47.5 per barrel this morning. West Texas Intermediate crude, the US benchmark, declined 0.1% to $46.2 per barrel. All eyes will fall on the Bank of England, which releases its dates, rate decision, minutes and quarterly inflation report today. Governor Mark Carney will tread carefully back into Britain's Brexit debate against the most uncertain economic backdrop in years. Now for some corporate news, Nissan's going to buy a 34% stake in Mitsubishi Motors, news that sparked Mitsubishi shares to jump. However, Nissan shares fell over 1%. Mitsubishi is currently trying to attract capital in the wake its admission that its employees falsified data on fuel economy tests in Japan, where both competition and Mitsubishi agreed to sell the stake of 237.4 billion yen, according to 1.53 billion pounds. The announcement comes a day after Mitsubishi tried to reassure shareholders that it has enough cash to see out the scandal. Yesterday, the car manufacturer also said that 9 additional models were affected, but that no overseas models had been. Elsewhere in the corporate world, ITV reported total revenue rose 14% to £755 million in the 3 months to 31st of March. AstraZeneca announced it said that it received an important approval from the US authorities for a drug used to treat thyroid cancer, and Sports Direct extended the put option agreement on Debenhams. Both Daily Mail and General Trust boss Martin Morgan is leaving after 27 years. And now for some key data. At 11 a.m. we have the UK Bank of England interest rate decision, followed by the Bank of England quarterly inflation report, and again at 11 a.m. we have the UK Bank of England minutes. And at 11:45 we have the UK Bank of England Governor Mark Carney's speech, and at 12:30 p.m. over in the US we have the initial jobless claims for May. That's all for today's news, so thank you very much for listening and all the best in your day's trading.